Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave apps invoicing software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you customize your invoices in Wave apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to customize your invoice in Wave apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that branding is really important. So maybe you want to customize your invoice to match your brand. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and customize your invoices, you're going to click on your company name here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu and you want to click on this button here, Business Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to look for this menu here on the left under Settings. And in order to customize your invoices, click right here, Invoices and Estimates. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and customize your invoice in a number of different ways. So the first thing you can do is you can go ahead and add a logo. I've already added my logo. So let me go ahead and remove it. All right, so in order to add a logo, you're just going to click right here, Browse. Once you click on Browse, you'll choose the logo and it's automatically going to update it, as you can see right there. Now, if you choose not to show your logo on your invoices like this right here, you can easily just uncheck that box. Next, you can go ahead and choose the accent colors for your invoices. So you can see it's kind of like this dark gray right now, but we can go ahead and change the color wheel right here and rotate this back and forth. Let's say we want green. We're going to adjust it over here to green, and then we're going to choose the type of green. And as you can see, it automatically updates. So that looks pretty good. Now, if you scroll down, you have these three different options for the style of invoice. So we have contemporary, then we have modern, and then we have classic right here. So I kind of like the modern one right there. And next, if you have the paid account, you can go ahead and remove the Wave logo at the bottom. This is a free test account, so I'm not able to do that. And next, you want to click on Save All Changes. Okay, now it's updated. So now our invoice has been customized. Let me go ahead and add the logo back in. Okay, so now it appears down there. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, you can go ahead and customize the invoice settings. So payment terms, you can go ahead and put that at due within 30 days, due within 60 days, depending on what your business is. You can add a footer. You can put default notes. So this would be something like general terms or to contact you. And then here you can go ahead and set up reminders for your overdue invoices. But if you're just looking to customize the look of the invoice, this is the section here towards the top. As you can see, this is all customized now. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to customize your invoice inside of Wave apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.